Welcome back to the Lean Living Legacy channel. Thank you for joining us. Today, we'll take on the challenge of preparing an easy, high-protein meal to help you build muscle fast and achieve a leaner body. Make sure you stick around till the end because I've got a game-changing recipe you won't want to miss. It's packed with protein and super quick and easy to whip up. Keep watching to get the full scoop on the delicious lean muscle-building meal. But first, before we dive into the recipe, let's explore key strategies for building muscle and getting lean. One crucial approach is incorporating high-protein meal prep into your routine. Not only does it help you increase your protein intake, but it also helps you stay on track with your diet and make healthy choices. And the best part is, it's not as complicated as you might think. One of the biggest struggles people face when trying to increase their protein intake is knowing how to prepare healthy meals that they actually enjoy eating. I mean, let's be real, nobody wants to eat the same old chicken breast and broccoli every single day. It gets boring and it's hard to stick to. Another common challenge is finding time to cook and prep meals, especially when you're busy with work, school, or other responsibilities like saving the planet. And then there's the issue of not knowing how much protein you need to be eating in the first place, or how to portion out your meals to meet your macronutrient needs. But what if I told you that it doesn't have to be that way? Now don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos where we take a deeper dive into the latest science on protein, innovative meal prep ideas, getting shredded, fitness tip, and much more. Your health journey starts here. So what if I told you that you could prep high-protein meals that are not only delicious, but also easy to make and tailored to your specific goals? It's possible, and I'm about to show you how. When it comes to meal prep, the key is to keep it simple and focus on whole foods that include lean protein, complex carbs, and healthy fats. You don't need to be a master chef or have a million different ingredients to make healthy meals. In fact, some of the simplest recipes are often the tastiest. For example, you can make a big batch of chicken and rice on the weekend and then portion it out in individual containers for the rest of the week. You can also prep a bunch of hard-boiled eggs and keep them in your fridge for a quick protein-packed snack. Another tip is to focus on frequency and timing of your meals. Depending on your goal, for example, when you're trying to build muscle, you need to be in a caloric surplus, which means you need to be eating more calories than you're burning. And the best way to do that is to eat smaller, more frequent meals throughout the day. This will keep your muscles fueled throughout the day and support muscle growth. Consistency is key when it comes to meal prep and fitness goals. If you're only prepping meals 1 or 2 times a week, it's not going to be enough to support muscle growth and leanness. You need to make meal prep a regular part of your routine, something that you do every single week without fail. The good news is, once you get into the habit of meal prep, it becomes second nature, just like brushing your teeth or washing your face. I believe in you, you got this. High-protein diets are proven to accelerate muscle growth and help you achieve a leaner physique. When you're eating enough protein, you're providing your muscles with the building blocks they need to grow and repair. When combining these strategies, you're creating an environment that's conducive to muscle growth and leanness. Alright, so let's jump into this fantastic recipe that's perfect for busy people looking to get lean and build muscle. We're making a simplified Mediterranean chicken and quinoa bowls with an optional but oh so delicious tzatziki sauce. First off, this meal prep should take you a total of about 35 to 45 minutes. You'll need about 10 to 15 minutes to prepare all the ingredients and then about 25 to 30 minutes of cooking time. So starting with the chicken, here's what you'll need. 4 boneless, skinless chicken breasts, 2 tablespoons of your preferred cooking oil, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 2 teaspoons of dried oregano, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, or if you prefer, you can make that 1 teaspoon of freshly chopped garlic, and salt and pepper to taste. For the quinoa, here's what you'll need. 1 cup of quinoa. You'll need 2 cups of water or broth, that'll add some extra flavor, and half a teaspoon of salt. Next up, for the vegetables, you'll need 1 cup of your choice of pre-cut mixed vegetables like bell peppers, zucchinis, and cherry tomatoes. This step will save you lots of time. You'll need 1 tablespoon of your preferred cooking oil, and again, salt and pepper to taste. And for the optional tzatziki sauce, which I highly recommend, you'll need 1 cup of plain Greek yogurt. As I've mentioned in a previous video, I like to use the high protein skyr yogurt since it has double the protein. Half a cup of finely diced cucumbers. This is optional. Also, you don't have to squeeze the water out of the cukes before adding them to the yogurt. However, this step does increase the shelf life of your sauce and it will give it a better texture, making it less runny. 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of fresh or dried dill, 1 garlic clove minced, and salt and pepper to taste. Now let's get cooking. First up, we'll prepare the quinoa. Rinse 1 cup of quinoa under cold water. In a pot, combine the quinoa with 2 cups of water or broth and half a teaspoon of salt. Bring it to a boil, then reduce the heat to low. Cover and simmer for about 15 minutes or until the liquid is absorbed. Fluff it with a fork and set it aside. Now let's get our chicken ready. First, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Or heat a skillet over medium-high heat. Start by combining 2 tablespoons of cooking oil and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice in a bowl. Then coat the chicken breasts with this mixture. Then, in a separate bowl, combine 2 teaspoons of dried oregano, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and salt and pepper. Now rub the chicken breast with this mixture. If you're using the oven, bake the chicken for about 20 to 25 minutes until it's cooked through and has an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. If you're using a skillet, cook the chicken for 6 to 7 minutes per side. Easy peasy. Now all we have left are the veggies. Toss 1 cup of mixed pre-cut vegetables with 1 tablespoon of cooking oil and season with salt and pepper. If you're using the oven, roast the veggies for about 15 to 20 minutes. For a quicker option, you can saute them in a skillet for 5 to 7 minutes. Now, for the optional tzatziki sauce, in a bowl, mix 1 cup of yogurt, half a cup of finely diced cucumbers, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of fresh or dried dill, and 1 minced garlic clove. Season with salt and pepper to taste. This adds a creamy, tangy touch to our bowls. Time to put it all together. Divide the cooked quinoa among your meal prep containers. Top each portion with sliced chicken and your roasted or sautéed vegetables. Don't forget to add a dollop of tzatziki sauce if you're using it. And there you have it, simplified Mediterranean chicken and quinoa bowls. Each serving is packed with protein and flavor, perfect for meal prepping and staying on track with your health goals. Now this recipe will give you about 4 servings with approximately 44 to 46 grams of total protein per serving, depending on if you choose to add the optional tzatziki sauce. In summary, high protein meal prep is a game changer for anyone looking to build muscle and or get lean. It's not about depriving yourself of your favorite foods or spending hours in the kitchen every day. It's about making healthy choices, staying consistent, and fueling your body with the nutrients it needs to thrive. If you have any cool ideas for future videos or topics you'd like to see, please drop a comment down below. I'd love to hear your thoughts and make content you're excited about. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.